Only about 5% of people know this. Your belly fat has a secret weakness. New research shows abdominal fat cells actually have 10 times more cortisol receptors than fat anywhere else on your body. In plain English, that means your belly's like a stress magnet. Every time cortisol spikes, your midsection is first in line to store it as fat. Hey, and welcome to It's All About Your Wellness. But here's the part that flips everything you thought about workouts upside down. Harvard researchers just published a massive meta-analysis of over 10,000 participants showing that low-intensity walking burns twice as much belly fat as high-intensity exercise. Yep, walking, not sprinting, is the science-backed shortcut. Let's break this down. Cortisol is your body's main stress hormone. It's not evil. It actually keeps you alive. But when it stays high all the time, thanks to modern life full of deadlines, notifications, and double-shot lattes, it quietly becomes a belly fat trap. And here's the kicker. Those fat cells around your stomach are designed with extra cortisol receptors. They soak up stress hormones like a sponge, which is why weight gain from stress almost always shows up in the belly first. It's not random, it's biology. Now here's where most people get it wrong. The instinct is to fight belly fat with brutal high-intensity workouts. Sprints, HIIT, spin classes. And while those workouts definitely burn calories, they also crank up cortisol even more. Your body interprets that kind of extreme effort as another form of stress. So while you're burning energy, you're also sending a signal to your belly fat to hold on tighter. Harvard's massive analysis flipped that assumption on its head. What they found is that low-intensity walking, just steady, consistent movement, mobilizes belly fat far better because it keeps cortisol low. Participants who stuck with walking consistently lost twice as much abdominal fat compared to those doing only high-intensity training. Think of it like this. Walking is a chisel that quietly chips away at stubborn belly fat. High-intensity exercise? That's more like a sledgehammer. You swing hard, but the wall just resists you. And here's the bonus. Walking doesn't just burn fat. It also improves insulin sensitivity, lowers cravings, and naturally reduces stress. That means you're lowering cortisol on two fronts, by moving your body and calming your mind. Now I can already hear some of you saying, so you're telling me strolling through the park beats sweating buckets at the gym? Pretty much, yes. Imagine explaining that to your workout buddy while you're casually power walking with an iced coffee. Science can be humbling sometimes. And the best part, walking is sustainable. You don't need equipment, memberships, or hours of recovery time. You can do it outside, inside, with friends, on calls, or while catching up on your favorite podcasts. If you've got legs in 20 minutes, you've got the most effective belly fat burner science has found. So here's the takeaway. Stress is the hidden driver of belly fat, and your abdominal fat cells are biologically wired to cling to cortisol. Instead of pushing harder in the gym and unintentionally raising stress hormones even higher, the smarter play is to walk more. It's simple, it's sustainable, and according to Harvard's data, it's twice as effective for melting belly fat. So if you're ready for a flatter stomach, steadier energy, and a calmer mind, lace up your shoes, take a walk, and let science do the heavy lifting. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe for a healthy and fulfilling life. Remember, your greatest wealth is your health.